As girls, we all know that vacation prep is half the fun of any vacation. So come glow up with me as I bring you along on all of my beauty appointments, packing, and preparation for my trip to Mexico. We're having a full afternoon of beauty appointments to glow up for vacation. So we're getting a lash lift, gel nails, and a pedicure. And then tomorrow I have my spray tan appointment. So I'm so excited to like just refresh because I have honestly been feeling down. You know, things have been really getting to me. It's just gonna feel good to feel confident. I'm so excited. If you can't tell, it's freaking pouring here in Halifax. Pouring. So very excited to escape this and go sit in the sun. Obviously a little crisp root beer. That shit is crispy. McDonald's haul, fries of, they're fresh. I also got a burger, not just eating fries. I'm gonna eat my lunch because we're gonna be here for quite a while. These are my lashes. They look so good. Love it. Morgan kills it every time. But now I have a little bit of time before my next appointment with Alicia, so I'm gonna go get food, and I also need to edit a video. Like, I have so much to do. Relax, relax. You're gonna be fine, girl. You're gonna be fine. Honestly, this is life of a showgirl right here. I have a video due, so I'm literally editing right now. I went and got a little smoothie from Booster Juice. First of all, spilt it on myself. It is absolutely downpouring right now. Like, I cannot wait to escape this. Get me out of here. I'm over it. Oh, and Alicia is ready for me. Nail time. Let's go, baby. This is the nail inspo. So cute. We're inspo. We're literally copying, but it's fun. Paying attention, not being a good client. I am not being a good client. Feels so weird to have nails back on. I'm actually so tired. I was like falling asleep in there the entire appointment. Look how cute, little starfishies. I got my toes done pretty much the same color as the background color. My lashes. And then tomorrow with my spray tan, we are gonna be all glammed up. Love it. We got Chinese food for supper. This looks incredible. This is a place called xoxo in Halifax. So good. Sweet and sour chicken balls, beef fried rice, and beef and broccoli. And then this is egg foo young, which is like one of my favorite dishes. This is the gravy. So good. I have not done much, but we're getting it done tonight. This is the motivation. I need to clean the living room, do some laundry, pack my suitcase with most of the things that I need, and then tomorrow I can do like the rest of the stuff. But yeah, gonna dig in. This looks so good. Good morning. We're back in my car again because we're on the go again for all of my appointments. I'm literally wearing like the darkest clothes right now. I'm going to get my spray tan because girl is very pale. Last time I got a spray tan was with Victoria with Glock's Tan. She came to my house for like a little mobile spray tan. Today we are at her studio, so I've never actually seen her studio. Very excited to check it out. It is over in like Waverly area, more in Dartmouth. Let's go inside and get tan. I'm so excited. I'm back home and the bronzer is starting to develop. I'm starting to pack. I did a little bit of packing last night, like I said I would, but I need to go through what I'm actually like bringing and stuff. Here's my suitcase. I need to like fold all this shit and like put it all together. Ugh. I literally keep procrastinating. I'm like so unorganized this trip, but like my head has just been all over the place, been doing so many different things. In this little bag that I keep in my beach bag, I have a cute little hair clip, mini sunscreen. I also have a Sunbum sunscreen mist. This is so good for like after if you applied like a little bit of makeup or something. A wide tooth comb because my hair gets so tangly. Hand sanitizer and hypochlorous acid spray. And then I'm also bringing my little mask because, you know, sometimes you like to play mermaids. Beach bag, done. These I will put in my beach bag after, but I have like these little waterproof phone case. I also have an underwater disposable camera, regular disposable camera. I just love all the photos, like all the different aesthetics, you know? I'm bringing some Sierra electrolytes. These are my favorite electrolytes. I'm bringing 2 books because I'm like halfway done this one. This is Color Fortune One Golden Summer. It came out last year, but I just never got around to reading it, and it's really, really cute. So I'm really excited to finish reading this. And then I picked up this book for a little beach read, poolside read, whatever. I like to read a lot, especially at the beach. That's like my favorite thing to do. I also got this hat. This is a little Canada hat. And I also got this hat. This one is from Shein. So cute. I also have this little sarong. This one is from Hollister, and this has gone through all of my vacations with me. I'm bringing just 1 pair of shorts. These are new from Old Navy. So bringing this little top. This is also from Hollister. It's just like a knit crochet top. This little set is new. I'm so excited to wear this. This is from Boathouse actually, and it comes with matching shorts. And then this one, again, to throw on over things. It's a little dress. This is from Old Navy, and it has like little ties in the back. I love it. I love this color. It's so fun. I don't have anything like it. Honestly, I was in need of some new like summer clothes, so I kind of used this trip as an excuse to buy a bunch of new summer stuff. For bags, I'm bringing this adorable little bag. I actually thrifted this last year, and then I just added these little shells on it. And then I also am bringing this little bag. This one's from Shein. It's like a crochet bag. I got this like a couple years ago. I have this top, which is actually like convertible. It can be a skirt, it can be a shirt in so many different ways. You just like tie it up, and it's a beautiful like champagne metal kind of color. This is actually from a local business in Halifax. I think it's called Abri. I'm so excited about this dress. But I thrifted this cute chili pepper dress. It's adorable. This is a skirt that I got last year for vacation. I forgot about these, but these are like a little beachy outfit. Got these shorts from Shein, but they literally have a misguided tag on them. Kind of suspicious. I have this pink poncho with like some sequences in it. This is gonna be fun to style. These white linen pants that my boyfriend's mom got me, and they have like little buttons on them. I thrifted this dress, which is like a long maxi dress, and it has cutouts here, and it has like a big slit on the side. So hard to show like this, but definitely need to bring this. I have this dress, which I actually got off Facebook Marketplace last year. I am obsessed. It's originally from Princess Polly, and the pattern on it is just so cute. Like makes me look so tan. I love it. And like a pink night for someone's birthday, so I'm bringing this dress to wear. It's like a long maxi with some more flowers, very tropical vacation vibes. And then we're also doing a white night for somebody else's birthday. So I have this little set. This is, it says it's from Forever 21, but I got this at Urban Planet because Canada doesn't have Forever 21. So it has the long matching maxi skirt, and then the back has like a little slit. This is super cute. I wore this on my vacation last year. These are all my bathing suits I'm bringing. I am literally bringing 7 bathing suits, but I like to have a different one to wear every single day because what if it doesn't dry? Or what if we go to the beach in the morning, the pool in the afternoon, and I like want to change my bathing suit because I don't want to sit in a wet bathing suit. You know, there's lots of factors. I just want to be prepared. And I got so many cute new ones, so we'll just bring them all. They're so tiny that like it doesn't really matter. This cute one, it's like yellow with little blue flowers. The top is just like a triangle style, and I thought this was reversible, but it's not because it has a little slit there, but that's okay. So cute. I love yellow. This one is adorable. It's like a pink, orangey kind of color. And this one actually is reversible, so the other side is like orange and yellow stripes, and I actually got a matching one for my boyfriend of this pattern, so this is a little matching moment for us. This one's so cute. Definitely not so much family friendly, but you know, we're in Mexico, so who cares? It's such a pretty color. This color is stunning. I just love this. Another reversible one. It has like brown and blue spots on it, and then this side is striped. This is one of my favorite ones. I love the print. This is one I got at Hollister last year for vacation. So cute, and the top is more of like a bra style. This one's really flattering again, and it's just like pink flowers. It's like my go-to bathing suit all year round. It's so comfy and really cute. And then last night I did a little DIY. So I got some beads off Shein and I just added them to the straps to kind of like spice it up. I feel like it just adds a little something to the bathing suit, right? This one is my favorite one with the little beads in the middle. So cute. I love it. And I've seen so many bathing suits on Pinterest with like the little beads, and I'm like, you could totally make that. So that's all the bathing suits that I'm bringing. I know it's a little excessive, but I have a giant suitcase, so it's fine. For shoes, I'm bringing these little black kitten heels. Also got these little shoes on Shein. They're like silver, square toe, kitten heel. I don't know, this is my first pair of Shein shoes, so I'm a little worried about it. So that's why I have backup. And then I have these ones that are just like chunky platform sandals. These are from Call It Spring. I've had these for years now, and I kind of spilled the drink on them last vacation. So there's like stains on them, but you can't really tell that much. So might be the last vacation that they're coming on. And this is my Shark blow dryer, which will be coming in my carry-on because I cannot lose this. The case is from Amazon, I think, and it just keeps like all your attachments at the top, and then the actual like Shark blow dryer down here, and it kind of keeps it compact so everything's all together. Then I just have my toiletries in here, so I have to go through those. I have to decide what I'm putting in my carry-on versus my checked bag, so that's what I got to go through next. And pack pajamas, underwear, socks, all of the essentials, you know? But okay, I gotta focus. Catch up later. Hi, it's literally been a million years later, but here I am, packed. I have this set drying right now because it didn't fully dry, and I know I'll forget it, so I literally put it on my suitcase, but we are fully packed. I have my carry-on and my little personal item. Colton's bag is packed. We're leaving this robe on the ground and like these boxes and stuff for Mochi. Looks like garbage, but it serves a purpose. I also stopped by Walmart and I picked up headphones because I literally forgot my headphones at work, and I just realized. I'm being so type B this trip. My ADHD is raging this week, I swear. Also washed my tan off, so the bronzer is gone. I feel like I'm more washed out on camera, to be honest. I'm definitely glowy, and then in the morning it will be like fully developed, so we'll see how that is. Gonna get ready and go to bed soon, and then get up in the morning. I literally can't believe it's here. Like, I feel like it just crept right up. I just need to get there and be on a beach, so I'll feel so much better. Stay tuned for the full Mexico vlog. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can while also still enjoying the vacation. Yeah, chat later. Love you so much.